Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your Google account is consistent across devices. This avoids linkage errors. Once signed in, open the Google Home app and check for system updates on the Nest Hub Max, then install them. Next, open Google Duo on your phone and allow microphone and camera permissions so pairing can proceed. Once done, return to the Home app and prepare to add the device for video calling. This sets the foundation for the pairing that follows. Now you link Duo through the Home app, tap your Nest Hub Max, open Settings, then Video Calling. Select Add or Link Duo and choose the same Google account you verified earlier. That ensures contacts and call history sync. Make sure to grant permissions for contacts, camera, and microphone. Without them, video calls won't work. Once you confirm the device name and accept prompts, the hub registers for calling. After a short sync, your device will be ready to place or receive. Finish by placing a quick test call to a known contact to verify audio, video, and camera framing. If the call fails, reboot the Nest Hub Max and your router, then confirm Wi-Fi is stable and that the Home app still shows Duo as linked. Account conflicts are the most common cause. If problems persist, run the Home app diagnostics or unlink and relink Duo. This forces a fresh token exchange. Finally, make one more test call to ensure the fix worked, and you're ready.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.